Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Stop changing contacts on the device so the deleted entries aren't overwritten. Sign into the account that stored your contacts, Google or iCloud, and check the last backup timestamp. You need a backup that predates the deletion. Make sure there is enough free storage to restore, otherwise the restore can fail. Once you confirm the correct account and a suitable backup, prepare the device by turning off automatic sync temporarily so no new changes propagate during recovery. Now perform the actual restore. For Google, open Contacts right arrow settings, right arrow undo changes, and pick the time before deletion. Google supports up to 30 days. For iCloud, go to Account Settings, right arrow restore contacts, and choose the archive timestamp. Start the restore and wait for cloud processing. This rewrites the cloud copy, then syncs to your device. Once restored, export a vCard or CSV as a backup. This gives you a local snapshot. Make sure the restored list contains the deleted. Finish by confirming numbers on both the device and the cloud account, and merge duplicates where necessary so you don't lose clean data. If the cloud archive didn't contain the deleted entries, check for a carrier or device backup image. Those can be the only fallback. Avoid untrusted third-party recovery tools. They risk data loss. One key troubleshooting tip. If sync won't show restored contacts, turn sync off, force close the Contacts app, clear cache. Then turn sync back on and allow several minutes for propagation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.